Hey, that's a Soda Pop from Soda Hughes, and you are watching the Malak channel, and today I am starting a new series. This one's going to be called Stickers, because I'm going to be opening up some stickers that I get from artists, and I know that I can't be the only person who loves stickers. I think this was the first time in a while that US mailing voting sent you a sticker. A lot of people are saying that they missed the sticker, and I've been seeing a ton of people on Facebook and Instagram share that they're so excited they got a sticker in their mail-in voting, at least in Utah, which was cool to see because, you know, a lot of those people aren't even fans of art like me, but, you know, everyone, I guess, loves stickers. So let's jump right in. This one is from Chuy Flaco. He's an artist in LA, he or she, I'm not sure. LA based, and they kind of have a style similar in some ways. It's kind of anime inspired. It's kind of like, I think Kento Kodoro is the name, or K2 Rocker. Kind of reminds me of that sometimes. Thank you so much for the order and the continued support. Threw in some extras for you. So sweet. Yeah, I only ordered one of the stickers, but they gave me 3. That's so cool. Yeah, I ordered, let's see if I can get it to focus in on it. Ordered this Tifa one. It's super cool. I love the way the die cut interacts with the hair and the shoes. It's just so cool. Then we've also got a Los Angeles girl over here. I'm really hoping the camera can figure out how to focus on these. Stand up and make sure. Then we have Global Warming Girl. But yeah, really cool stickers. This is, I mean, if ever it's a paid promotion, I'm going to let you guys know, and I'll mark that in the video. This is not a paid promotion. I just love Flaco's work so much, and I just wanted to get a sticker to support them and show off their amazing art. So if you guys are interested and you love what they do, give them a follow on Instagram. I'm going to share their Instagram and buy some of their stickers. I'll probably link the store below. Again, this isn't a sponsored video or anything. I just honestly love what they do. So yeah, check them out. Thank you so much for watching this video, and check out the other videos I do with, art books, art prints, art originals, and now some art stickers. Thanks again, guys, and take care.
You're such a